Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best and most dominant AI stocks you need in your portfolio that could double by 2026. So follow, and let's dive into this. But before we do, the broker I love is Moomoo. So make sure you guys click that link, sign up, because you guys can get up to 60 free stocks just by signing up, which is fantastic. So click that link, sign up. I love them. Let's dive into this. All right. So stock number one is the king of AI. It's the king of AI chips. This is NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Now, the reason I love NVIDIA is they dominate the GPU market for AI, data centers, and gaming. I think we all have seen the huge rise of pretty much the revenue increase, the gross profit, the AI demand is just absolutely exploding. So we get a company that dominates the GPU market, that has seen huge revenue increases, that honestly is continuing to keep up with demand, which is huge. It helps power massive companies like Tesla, like ChatGPT, and other huge data and AI models, which is awesome. It has great partnerships with OpenAI, with XAI, and other big tech. We've seen analysts talk about the stock, and they see a 50% growth in the next 2 years. So we're seeing a fantastic company, and obviously there is risk involved, of course, because we've seen this company skyrocket up. But for me, I think it's better to have shares of NVIDIA than to sit on the sidelines and watch it continue to go up and up and up. All right, let's dive into stock number two. But before we do, smash that like button and subscribe, and let's jump into this. All right, stock number two is ticker symbol AMD, also known as Advanced Micro Devices. We've seen this thing just partner with OpenAI again. So another huge partnership. They're launching new AI GPUs. We've seen a huge rival with NVIDIA. So just as fast as NVIDIA is growing, AMD is growing very, very quick as well. We've seen a growing share in data centers and high performing computing, which is great. Strong CEO leadership, and Wall Street sees a major upside with this company. And honestly, I know NVIDIA can be a little, one of those stocks that everybody wants, but this AMD is a sleeper stock. I've been investing into AMD for the past 3 years, and I think that looking back in the next 5, 10, 15 years, we're going to wish we bought AMD at these current prices. All right, let's dive into stock number three. Stock number three is Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. This is a company that I think it's more than just an AI company, right? They have massive cash flow. They're constantly integrating AI into everything like Copilot, Office. They have their new AI cloud in the enterprise market, which is great. It's a safer long-term play for AI with lower risk because they're diversified into other tech other than AI, right? Which I think is important because you think of Microsoft, you think of Microsoft Office, you might think of Xbox, all that stuff actually Microsoft owns. So they're more than just an AI company. They're steady. There's still room for the stock to go up. And I think that it's a very, very safe play with great rewards. All right, stock number four is ticker symbol ASML. This is ASML Holdings. This is a huge chip maker. Honestly, it's the only company making the EVU how do you say it? It's these EVU machines. They're essential for producing AI chips. There's a huge demand from NVIDIA with, TSMC, Intel, and Samsung. We've seen strong revenue projections for the next pretty much 5 years for 2030, I believe. Massive profit margins, global dominance. And I think, like a lot of other ones, I think it's important to understand that, yes, some of these could be a little more volatile, like this one. But looking back in the next decade, are we going to wish we would have bought more shares? Probably. All right, stock number five is ticker symbol ANET. This is an AI infrastructure backbone. This provides networking gear for AI data centers. They partnered with Meta, with Google, with Microsoft. They have a huge revenue guidance increase due to the AI demand. It's the fastest growing player in AI networking. It's an underrated long-term AI infrastructure play. So I think, yeah, this one ANET is a stock that I think carries a lot of potential. All right, stock number 6 is a company we bought on their IPO, and I've honestly never really looked at it since, to be quite honest with you. But this is Snowflake. This is ticker symbol SNOW. This is a data cloud company for AI. They have a whole bunch of data storage and analytics powering AI training. They're launching the new Snowflake Intelligence for AI searches. They are growing enterprise adaptation in finance and healthcare. Their partnerships with NVIDIA and OpenAI ecosystem. It's still early for the AI monetization phase because they're really not making money off of AI just yet. They're really just trying to grow it at an astonishing rate. So still kind of an early play off that. All right, stock number 6 is ticker symbol IBM, also known as IBM. This is a company that's honestly just been around for a while. It's a massive tech company. They have the new AI enterprise software solutions. They're partnered with a whole bunch of major corporations like Meta, all of those. They're blending AI with hybrid cloud consulting services, which is cool. Strong dividend. It's new growth, which is great. It's a great value stock for AI exposure. A lot more volatility and sell-off compared to a lot of the other plays. All right, and the last and final company is going to be Meta, ticker symbol META. This is also known as Facebook. This is like the backbone, in my opinion, for AI. AI is led by NVIDIA, but its backbone is going to be Meta. They're investing millions of dollars into artificial intelligence, especially in the metaverse tech. You think of those glasses, you think of, all that stuff. Meta is funding, which is extremely expensive, but growing really, really fast. AI is improving ad targeting for like Facebook and engagement, which is great. It's building AI tools like Meta AI across Instagram, WhatsApp, and Threads. It has massive profit margins. And I think it could help lead the way for new digital AI ads, which is cool, guys. So these are the top 8 AI stocks that I am buying. And like I said, all of these stocks carry a lot of potential, but they also carry risk. So do your research before you guys invest and understand probably the best strategy for investing into all of these is going to be to dollar cost average. So just invest consistently rather than dumping in a bunch of money because the risk is pretty high, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. But if you want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. I'll put a link to it down below. So follow, and we'll see you guys in there. Take care.